Alright, so we're back. I'm going to attempt to wrap these headers. These are LS swap headers from Speed Engineering for 3rd Gen Camaro, 82 to 92 Camaro. Speed Engineering 1 7/8 long tube headers. I've got the DEI 100 foot of this stuff. I've got 2 headers. 2 smaller rolls might be a better idea. I don't know. Unrolling this, trying to cut it to length. I wiped them down with alcohol. I bought these. You guys are. These come from Harbor Freight. I want to see if they work. They look about like everything else. They say they're 304 stainless steel, 115 pounds. So we'll see how they work. I'll keep you guys posted. But taped up the end. I read some recommendations. Use some duct tape, or this stuff will come unraveled. You'll see kind of what it looks like, and it's kind of hard to cut with regular old scissors. I need to go find me a better pair of scissors, but I'll kind of show you what I do. I don't think, there's not any gap between there, so I think I'm going to have to wrap them all individually down to a certain point. Maybe have to wrap the whole thing starting here. We'll see. So got it wrapped up loosely. I kind of want my end to end on the bottom so you won't see it. Same way with this one here, and on the bottom side, so you won't be able to see it, even though it'll be covered up by the wrap. And I'll go ahead and cut it, tighten it all up, zip tie it, and go to the next one. Alright, so I'm kind of videoing in little chunks because it seriously took me over 2 hours to do this. Just trying to get the measurements right and how to wrap it. And, I said this in the beginning, these are 3rd Gen Camaro LS swap headers from Speed Engineering. The tubes are, bent a little different. When I wrap them, about the same as how this is wrapped. And I'll kind of flip this over. The zip ties are just holding it all together until I can get the metal ties on it. But this is kind of how it looks. Like I said, I kind of had to wrap double tubes up. I think with these ones, I think I can wrap all the way up all the tubes, and then I think I'm going to go then to wrapping these 3 tubes up to about this crease, because as you can see, I probably can't get, I know I can't get 2 wraps in between there, so I'm going to have to wrap these 2 pipes to about here, this pipe to about there. That pipe will be about the same. As you can see, there's really no space between there, but I could wrap this pipe farther down. Sorry for my videoing. I could probably get it down to that bend there, so that'll take this dual wrap all the way up past it, and then I could take it down through here and wrap all the way up to here with wrap these 3 together, and then we'll have single ones coming up. Kind of how this is. Obviously, I could I wrapped that one farther down, and then wrapped all 4 together, until I got to these 2, and then I just wrapped these 2 up a little bit farther. And to be honest with you, there's not a whole lot of gaps, that you could see down. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be some heat that comes through there, but I think that'll look pretty nice, Look nice, hopefully keep a little heat out. It's an NA car, so it's not like it's going to be that important. I think I just did it more for looks and a little bit of heat. Cooler than engine bay, always the better. So I want to get started on this one. You do wrap, start at the bottom, work your way up. This stuff's pretty flexible, I usually take a piece of tape and tape the end there so it doesn't come unraveled. But you don't have to wet it down. It does slide when you try to get this to cinch up tight and you try to pull it tight. On their website it says overlap. You did about a 1/4 inch. This is 2 inch wide by 100-foot roll. It was 100 foot. I hope like heck I have enough to do this header. We'll find out. I'll let you know if one roll of 2 inch wide, 100 foot did both long tube headers. I'll kind of record again when I get started here.